Good evening everyone. Today we will discuss international airports in India. International airports in India. Start with the Chaudhary Charan Singh. He is a former Prime Minister, and this Chaudhary Charan Singh International Airport located in Lucknow. And in this UP we have Lal Bahadur Shastri International Airport in Varanasi. And next Jayaprakash Narayan International Airport in Patna, Bihar. Lokpriya Gopinath Bardoli. It is located in Guwahati, Assam. Next, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport located in Kolkata. Next, Swami Vivekananda International Airport that is located in Chhattisgarh. Next, Devi Ahalyabai Holkar. Devi Ahalyabai Holkar International Airport that is located in Indore. Next, Indira Gandhi International Airport. It is the one of the busiest airport in India. Next to Sri Gurudas Ji International Airport, Amritsar. Next to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport at Gandhinagar in Gujarat. Next to Dabolim in Goa. Next to Kempegowda International Airport that is located in Karnataka. Next to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar International Airport located in Nagpur. Next to Rajiv Gandhi International Airport that is located in Hyderabad. Next to Madurai Airport located in Tamil Nadu. Next to Veer Savarkar International Airport that is located in Port Blair. Thank you.